I know that you were talking about Bid Plus earlier
Okay.
this year, and that was one that I'm not really educated upon. I've just avoided it like the plague.
Yeah. So Bid Plus has now moved to different bidding strategies. So there's three different strategies. There's fixed bid, where Amazon is not allowed to adjust your bid, basically. Um, so if you bid $2, your bid is $2. That doesn't mean that you'll deliver at $2, but your bid is $2. Then there is dynamic down only. So Amazon will bid down in the instances in which they don't think you're likely to win the auction, so that is the default. And that is largely what we use down only. On keywords that we see we're doing really well, then we will use up and down. So there's dynamic up and down. And so in auctions, they think you're likely to win, they'll bid up. In auctions, they don't think you're likely to win, they'll bid down. So bid up and down can work. Like typically we'll see it working if like you're doing really well for the search term, but sometimes people get really aggressive and they just go turn on up and down. And like you can really spend a lot of money that way.
Well, what's the point of doing up when you could just increase your PPC?
It's the fact that Amazon allows is making that decision on a per customer basis. So like, I imagine this is like, just an assumption, but I imagine if Amazon has seen, let's say it's toothpaste and you're Colgate, and they've seen that this customer has bought Crest in the past, you probably don't want to bid as much, So.
Oh, okay. So it's their form of AI.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yep. Yeah. I mean, I've seen generally mixed results when you've got the AI only works in several scenarios. Sometimes
Yeah.
it can just hose you, but okay.